Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find out when you have subscribed to some YouTube channel. So it's very easy to do. First, go to the main page of YouTube. Now click on your avatar in the top right corner, and in this drop-down menu, click Google account. Okay. We're taken to a new page where we have to select data and privacy from the menu on the left, right here, click. Now let's scroll down a little bit and find YouTube history right here. Okay, now click Manage History. Almost done. Now select Interactions from the menu on the left. Okay, and right here we need to select Channel Subscriptions. Good. In this menu you can find the channel you're interested in. For example, I subscribe to Without History on this date. Also, you can scroll down to the bottom and press Ctrl+F. This shortcut opening the search menu, and here you can write the name of the channel you're interested in. For example, let's enter here info. So as you can see, with the help of this search field you can find the channel. Well, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you, bye!